Wasatch SoftRip allows you to utilize the barcode system of your roll cutter to automate your print and cut production process. With this workflow, each job, whether it's a single image, a complex layout, or a whole roll of jobs, is printed by SoftRip with a unique barcode. This barcode corresponds to the cut path that is defined in the print job. Once the cutter reads the printed barcode, the barcode is sent to SoftRip and the corresponding cut job is sent to the cutter. After the cutter cuts the contour path, it scans for the next barcode and repeats the process. This innovative feature allows for a whole roll of media to be cut with minimal user intervention. To begin, open SoftRip. Select the unit you would like to use for your cutter and click the Print Setup button. In the Print Setup window, select your cutter model. For this type of workflow, your cutter must be able to read barcodes. In this video, we'll be using a Summa cutter. Click the Edit button next to the Imaging Configuration drop-down menu, then click the Properties button. Check the box next to Read Barcode Job via Front Panel and then click OK until you're prompted to save a new imaging configuration. Name your new imaging configuration and click OK. When you get back to the Print Setup window, set the physical connection for your cutting device. When you're done, click OK. Now select the unit you would like to use for your printer and click the Print Setup button. In the Setup window, select your printer model, imaging configuration, and physical connection. Select any other features that you'll need when you print. Move over to the Cutting Options section. If you're using a file that already has a cut path associated with it, check the box next to Process Cutting Paths. If you want to generate a rectangular cutting path around each image, check the box next to Outline Jobs. Now check the Cutting Registration Marks box and select a registration mark that will work with your device. Select a barcode mark type and any other options you need in the Cutting Marks Options window. When you're done, click OK. From the Cutting Unit drop-down menu, select the unit you'll be using for your cutter. Once you've selected all your options, click OK. Open the file browser and drag your image into the job window. If you're working with an image that already has a cut path associated with it, and you check the Process Cutting Paths box in the setup screen, you'll see blue marching lines around your image. If you need to create a cut path within SoftRip, click on the Trace tab. When you've made all your adjustments, click Trace. You will see blue marching lines appear around your image. You can add your job to the layout screen and print multiple cut jobs at once, or you can simply rip and print your image. When all your jobs have been printed, remove the media from your printer and load it onto your cutter in accordance with your cutter's documentation. The media can be mounted on the cutter backwards directly from the printer, and the barcode recognition system will ensure the cut paths are properly flipped. The cutter will read the barcode and transmit the job ID to SoftRip. SoftRip will then send the corresponding contour cut job to the cutter. Once the first contour cut job is complete, the cutter will scan for the next barcode and repeat the process until the whole roll has been cut. Because the cutter reads the barcodes and processes the contour cut paths automatically, there is no need for you to manually scan barcodes or search the RIP for the correct contour cut path. This allows you to fully automate your print and cut workflow, increase productivity, and minimize mistakes.